All right, let me let us. Oh, I don't remember this one.
Hey, look, we're in.
I saw white. I was thinking.
Okay.
Sean, can you hear me? Okay. Yeah, I was afraid.
I could hear you, Jen.
Luann, do you have your camera?
Yes, I do. I'm not
Okay.
on it.
No.
Select a speaker. Oh, my speakers aren't on.
I had a nice hat. I was going to put it on, and they were waiting for 4 or 5 hours.
Who's playing Donald Trump?
Is that because Sean and I were trying to settle this case right up until 5 minutes ago. And the last 5 minutes, we've been trying to see what's going on with Trump.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
I can hear you.
It's like there's a big gap in time.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Mhm.
We're having problems with our system today. Anyway, let me put us on the record, Shannon.
Okay.
Okay, this is the matter of Lorem versus Lorem. Mr. Carroll for the defendant, Ms. White for the plaintiff, and it looks like both of the parties are also present.
Yes.
I don't know, is that coming from my computer, I wonder?
Is that coming from yours, Sean? Didn't you have that on? I don't have it on. It's not coming from mine.
I
I think it might be coming from mine.
don't believe so, but I can check.
So 4 years ago, I came and I said, "Hey."
I can still hear it. It's not, I've shut all my stuff off. Is that the Rudy Giuliani stuff that you were watching, Veronica?
Yeah, I was trying to get going. Yeah. Yeah. That's what it sounds like to me, but I don't have it going. I didn't end up getting it on. Okay, so
I'm checking all of my, oh, there it is. It's me. And I wasn't listening to it. It just showed up on one of my, if I don't close the tab on a YouTube recording,
yeah.
sometimes it starts playing something else, and that's what was happening. I'm going to close all these other ones to make sure that doesn't happen again.
Sure. Okay.
So I don't blame you guys for something that's my fault. Okay, I've got all the windows closed. So where we at, folks?
Judge, essentially we had, when we did our pretrial, we spoke with you in chambers in a break room. We had a draft judgment of divorce go back and forth today. We have not agreed on some things as it relates to that. And I think maybe we might need another trial date or I don't know if we could go in a breakout room with you or not. And if that helps us out or not, we seem to be essentially still a breaking point with regards to Ms. Lorem's pension and the division between the parties.
Well, let's do this. I'm happy to speak with you, but I think what I have to do is close out this session. I'll go into chambers and you can zoom into that meeting. And then depending on whether or not we make any headway, can either come out and try whatever issues you're not able to resolve or find a new trial date if you think there's a possibility that you might be able to work things out.
Well, we're not prepared to take testimony today because we really thought we were going to settle this. And literally Sean and I were, Mr. Carroll and I were on the phone until, till we came into the room. because we were still trying to go back and forth on some issues. So we just can't
Right.
seem to settle some of them.
But then I'll close this session. I'll
Sure.
have that in chambers conversation with you, and we'll get you a new trial date based on whatever it is you tell me in our private communications. So I'm
Okay.
gonna close out this meeting. I'll restart it in my chambers.
So how do we,
Zoom
is that
back
going to
in.
be a different number that I have to
we
use?
leave,
No,
we
it's
just
the
sign
same.
back in.
Same Zoom room. I have to close this one before I can open that one
Okay,
up.
got it.
All right.
Luann, I'll call you when it's done.